Hello traders, the title of the video is Strictly Confidential Fibonacci Trading Tips and Tricks. Alright, so you may be saying to me, George, what is confidential about this Fibonacci trading tips and tricks? Well, all I will say to you, we are saying it in a public place, therefore, is no more confidential. But it's a very beautiful title. So feel free to share it with your friend, alright? And whoever you like to share it with, but it is a title, Strictly Confidential Fibonacci Trading Tips and Tricks. Normally, I should not be revealing this to you, but alright, I am in a good mood today and I want to share with you, alright, a Fibonacci trading tips and tricks, alright, that is strictly confidential. I need to remind traders that I do not share confidential material in a public place. This is just a title, alright, very, very important, alright. Do not share anything that is confidential, but this is just a title to draw your attention, alright. Okay, so talking about strictly confidential Fibonacci trading tips and tricks, alright, you want to understand the characteristic of the financial instrument that you are trading, alright, because some stock will exhibit the same structure, will be doing exactly the same thing over and over. This is what I like to call the characteristic of the financial instrument that we are trading. How that stock over the year has been behaving. Professional traders do pay attention to what I like to call the characteristic of the financial instrument that we are trading. But when I'm talking here about strictly confidential Fibonacci trading tips and tricks, we want to see how the price, which a Fibonacci key level, the price is preferring. Some stock very often will always find a support between the zone of 50% and 61.8% level. Some of the other stock will switch two different type of Fibonacci retracement. They may be switching between the 61.8% and the 78.6% level. Other stock will prefer 38.2% and the 61.8% level. And some stock, all the time, what they do, they keep finding a support. Anytime they go up, they pull back to 50% level. Now, it's not the price itself. It's those who are trading that stock, the professional traders that are trading that particular stock, that love to buy the stock anytime it goes up. So there is a kind of algorithm or people that are trading that stock using a specific Fibonacci retracement level. So there is something going on that is trading either human being or a software that is trading that stock, buying it consistently at a specific Fibonacci retracement level. But in order to know, understand, or the characteristic of the financial instrument, talking about the Fibonacci key level that financial instrument prefer, you need to keep your eyes wide open, observe, measure what has happened before and see. So we're going to start trying to figure out the characteristic of this stock, which is Dupont Nemours. I've been talking about this stock for some time. Traders know that I love this stock. So I'm going to apply the Fibonacci retracement to this move, the trending phase, alright, from here all the way to the top. So from the lowest point all the way to the top, we have a trending phase. You can see that after the trending phase, the stock pulled back to what? The 61.8% level. So in the zone of 50% and the 61.8% level, that's where I'm putting my spot now. 50% and 61.8% level, it did find a support. So I can note down that this stock like that level. So Dupont Nemours at one point did find a support in a zone of 50% and 61.8% level. Is an event we cannot ignore it. It did find a support. You see, in fact, it was consolidating here in that zone, and it found a support. It went up, it pulled back, and it went up again in that zone. So probably those who are trading Dupont Nemours love to buy Dupont Nemours in that zone. So we note it down, all right? So we know this is just an observation, all right? And then the price went down. You see where it found support in a zone of 78.6. So no, I do not use 78.6% level. The I use as exactly 78%. So by the Fibonacci number is 78.6% level. So here again, it found the support at 78%, so we can note it down. So Duponemo did find the support between the 50% and 61.8% level. It did find the support again at 78.6% level. We note it down. So now as the price, so we observe it, okay? We observe that reaction, we note it down, all right? We note it down, all right? Especially after a trending phase, the behavior of the price, you want to note it down because it reveals what is going on behind the scene. It reveals the trading software. It reveals, okay, the attitude of the investors and traders that are trading that particular stock. Sometimes you may notice something, but it may not repeat the same pattern. But some stock will keep doing the same thing over, which means those who are trading it are buying the stock. Each time it reaches the 50% level, you may hear people talking about, oh, Dupont Nemo again pulled by 50% level, and the investors jumping all over the phone and say, oh, buy Dupont Nemo for me, buy Dupont Nemo for me. You understand the message? So this was going on. So now that we note it down, between the 50% and 61.8% level, this is a strictly confidential Fibonacci trading tips and tricks. Nothing confidential, just a title. All right. So now the price start going up. Okay. So we observe it, okay? Now it starts going up. So here it is. So we are going to, so now we want to see whether in the near future, if it start going up, it will respect those levels. So now you can see here, look carefully. So now it went up from here to here, yes or no? Now it's pulling back. Which level we will be watching? We'll be watching the zone of 50% and 61.8% level, yes or no? So let's draw a line there. What is the 50%? Here it is. That's the 50%. And the 61.8%, that's the line below it, yes or no? So that zone here, it didn't go inside the zone, but it did find a support there. Will you be happy to trade it? Yes, you will be, because it's still retesting the 50% level. So it went up, it is pulling back. We know that either in the past, it did find a support between the 50% 61.8% level. And we also know that it did find a support also at 78% Fibonacci retracement level. So we will be watching the reaction of the price in those areas because it has happened before. You remember what I said, the video that I recorded before, and I said to you the three questions that one must ask in the financial market, all right, at the 24 stock trader YouTube channel. I'm trying to find, allow me to give me 1 minute to find the exact title. If it's taking so long, 3 questions for mastering financial market trading like a pro. You remember those 3 questions? 3 questions for mastering financial market trading like a pro. Where are we now? Okay, that's the first question. Where are we going? And what has happened before? So what we are doing here is about what has happened before. Those 3 questions will help you to master the financial market trading. Where are we now? Where are we going? All right? And what has happened before. So watch that video and it will help you to understand what's happening here. So what has happened before, this is what we are applying here. So it did find a support between the 50% and 61.8% level. It did find support at 78% level. Probably those who are trading this level do pay attention to those 2 Fibonacci retracement level. So here it is. Will you be part of it? If he is approaching this level at that point in time, you say, be ready, my friend, be ready, my friend. And you'll be applying a top-down trading method, watching the reaction of the price in that zone, yes or no. Not only that, after it retests the top of it, it gives us another chance by displaying a higher low. Well, this is a beautiful invitation to buy again. So it didn't find a support, now it displays a higher low. It's telling you, if you miss this opportunity, join this one here. All right, so now, without going too far away from the main topic, strictly confidential Fibonacci trading tips and tricks, I have not yet finished the demonstration. I want to show you another one here again. All right, stay with me. There are a bit of noise outside happening now. I don't know what's going on. So now here we are. So look at this one. Okay, so it went up again from here to here. Okay, watch it, my friend. All right, I'm talking about this point right here. That's another move. Yes or no? After that higher low, it went up nicely. Okay, so we are watching it. So it went up, it stopped along that trend line. You see that trend line that I draw over the year, still working beautifully. Recently, see here, touch it here. That trend line, retested them. So it touched there. Okay, so we apply Fibonacci retracement. So we are not assuming anything. All we do, we just wait. We say, okay, if it start coming down, we will watch the zone between the 50%, 61.8% level, and we will also watch the zone between. Okay, there is another line on my chart. Let me see. Let me remove that. Or code of traders. There's another Fibonacci line. You have two lines messing around on this chart. No, I think it's only one. Okay, let's go back. All right, so we are watching the zone between 50%, 61.8% level, and also the 78.6% level. So price went up from here to here. Look, my friend, where are we now? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see 78% here? Okay, I'm going to move one horizontal line there, 78%. Watch it, my friend. You see there, 78%. Can you see? I don't use 78.6%. I use exactly 78%. Here we are. You see now? What has happened before? The three question is about what has happened before. Look, it came down. Shh. Look at the reaction. Now, will you agree that there were orders here to buy before the price reaches this level? Can you see that tall candle 1 month to the moving at 14 and crash through it? Now you have to understand that this strategy that I'm telling you now is a powerful strategy that the professional Fibonacci traders are using. So it's like we want to understand the gene, so if we are allowed to use that word for technical trading, the gene of the stock or the pattern, okay, the behavior. But I prefer to use the word the characteristic of the financial instrument. All right. So here it is. It stopped exactly at 78% Fibonacci. So once it breaks through the zone between the 50%, 61.8% level, we know that okay, the next support level that this stock usually prefer will be what, the 78% Fibonacci retracement level. All right. So here it is. Boom, on the dot. And people just bought it big time. And those are professional traders that are asking the same question: where are we now? Where are we going? And what has happened before? I have not yet finished. Okay, stay with me. Stay with me, please, my friends. Stay with me. All right. I want to analyze one more price move, and we'll wrap it up. All right. So let's see this reaction here. Look at this one. So it pulled back to this level. Now it start going up. Okay. All right. Let's see what's going to happen now. Whether it's going to behave the same way I did before. Whether what has happened before is likely to happen again. It's not guaranteed, though. I need to mention this to traders. It's not guaranteed that the price will do exactly what it did before. You need to clear that out of your mind. It's not. Here it's happening. Sometimes it will not do it. It will do something completely different. So if you are a new trader, beginner trader, don't take it like, yes, George, I love you. This is the, or you are the man. All right. Don't think it that way. Sometimes it may not do it, all right? It may not do it. So here this time it went up from here to here, yes or no? So we apply Fibonacci retracement. Which level are we watching? We are watching for the 50% of 61.8% level, and we are watching 178% level, yes or no? So this move from here, after it crashed to 78% level, it went up all the way up here. We apply again Fibonacci retracement. Look, my friend, where are we? Here it is. Here it is. Where did it stop? Look where it stopped, my friend. Look where it stopped. Now I know what's going through your mind. Look, 78% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from here to here. Is it happening all the time? It's happening for this stock. This is so for Dupont move, we can say that it prefer the zone of 50%, 61.8% level. After a bullish move, it will retrace to 50% and 50. So or it will retrace to the 78% level. Whether in an uptrend or downtrend, the level that we want to watch for Fibonacci trading, all right, we will use, we will be monitoring the 50%, the zone between the 50%, the 61.8% level, and the 78% level. So now, what I was saying to you, now you understand, you will be thinking, oh, Giorgio, normally you shouldn't be sharing this. Oh, I won't be happy to share this with my friend. I want to keep this for myself, but don't do that. Feel free to share with your friend, because though we are using the title strictly confidential Fibonacci trading tips and tricks, all right, feel free to share with your friend. All right, don't keep it to yourself. The reason is, if more traders understand this, all right, they won't try to mess up your trade when the setup is ready. Sometimes trader will try to mess up your trade. It's so annoying, and you want to kick their ass, so to speak. All right, am I allowed to use that? Because one time a trader. Okay, all right, let's move on. All right, so you may like to punish them a bit. That's what I want to say. Okay, okay, so all right, we want to keep it clean. All right. Okay, so if you have any question or suggestion, I put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. So, talking about strictly confidential Fibonacci trading tips and tricks, all right, we are talking about the characteristic, Fibonacci characteristic of the financial instrument that we are about to trade, which Fibonacci retracement level or extension level. That stock, in this case with Fibonacci retracement level, that stock is usually okay preferring. All right, so this demonstration has shown that upon the move, those who are trading that stock prefer the zone between the 50%, 61.8%, and 78% level. For another stock, it may be something completely different, or you may look at another stock, you may not see any pattern at all. So it's not there. Don't invent it. Don't go away from it. Some stock you clearly see that there is a pattern in place, and over the year, that stock will keep hitting those specific Fibonacci retracement level. But the best approach is not to assume that definitely it will stop there, but just be patient. But be ready, though. You are ready monitoring. If there is a trading setup, you take it like a pro, yes or no, using a different time frame trading method. All right. Right? As always, if you have any question or comment, all right, put in the comment section, and in due course, all right, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. If you find this video truly useful, all right, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that is another useless blah blah blah, okay, please let us know by giving us the thumbs down. This will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. However, if you think this is an essential tutorial, well, feel free to share with your friend on Google Plus, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about strictly confidential Fibonacci trading tips and tricks. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.